In this video, I want to show you how to make a new report in Power BI that's called a small multiple. So let's go into Power BI. And I'm just going to make a quick visual here. So I'll use the stacked bar chart. And I'm going to go ahead and expand that. So I have my tables and my fields over here. So I'm going to go to the orders table and pick up the ship country and drag it into the axis. And then I'll pick up order amount and drag it into the values. So now we have it of each country with the order amount. If I actually want to see the number at the end of each bar, I'll turn on the data labels. I'll pick on the format icon here and then click on the data labels. Okay. So now that actually gave us a subtotal for each country. So now I like to break that down by employee. So I'm going to go back to the fields icon here, and I'm going to scroll back up to the employees table, and I'll get the last name. I'll pick up last name and drag it into the legend. See how each country is now broken down into the employee, and we see the employees up in the legend. Okay, so that's one way to break it down. But watch what we're going to do with the small multiples. I'm going to pick up the last name from the legend and move it down here into the section that's called small multiples. Now, not every visual will have the small multiples area. So I'm going to move it down there. Let's see what happened. Now I have all these individual reports that breaks it down by employee, by country. And those are the small multiples, okay? So now I have all those individual reports. I can make this bigger, of course. Now, let's say I wanted to switch it. Let's say I wanted to have the employee last name on the left and the countries up at the top. So I'll pick up last name from the small multiples and move it up to the axis. And I'll pick up ship country and move it down into the small multiples. And now we see the countries broken down by employee. So this could be very, very useful, everybody. It helps you break down the data into different sections. Here we have country by, each different chart here is by country. And we have the last names on the left-hand side for the employees, right? Or I'll do it the other way. I'll pick up ship country and move it back to the axis and pick up last name and move it to the small multiples. Now, the employees are then broken down by country. So that's how you can make the small multiples here in Power BI.